to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. And thank you so much for joining me today in the live chat, on the live stream here, where you can feel free to leave comments, questions, suggestions, and anything that you like pertaining to credit and your credit experience to. Uh-oh. Am I still here? Oh, okay. All right, I'm still here. So anything pertaining to credit, your credit experience, things you've been approved for or even denied for, any questions that you have pertaining to credit or comments, feel free to leave them here in the live stream. And I want to say special thanks to all of my new subscribers. Total today, we have 276 subscribers. So congratulations to all the subscribers, the 276 people who have subscribed to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score, because that is the first step in improving your credit and learning my special credit boosting techniques too also as well. And I wanted to mention too also that our Facebook group that was formerly called How to Get an 800 Credit Score, the name has been changed to How to Get Excellent Credit. So that is the name of the new name of our Facebook credit group. It's called How to Get Excellent Credit. And also I wanted to mention that I'm going to be live every Wednesday here at 7 p.m. Central Time. And so don't forget, don't miss out, because you definitely don't want to miss the good information that I'm about to give you every Wednesday live at 7 p.m. Central Time here too also. And also wanted to mention that you can follow me also as well in the About section of this YouTube channel. In the bottom of the About section is a bunch of links there where you can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest. You can add me to, as a friend on Facebook, or follow me. Follow me on Twitter, and all of those social media sites that I'm affiliated with too also as well. Too also. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe. There is going to be a subscribe button. It's in the bottom left corner of this screen. It's a big red button. It says subscribe here. Click on the button, click subscribe, and click the bell for notifications so you won't miss out every time I make a new video here too also as well. And hit the thumbs up button, guys. This channel definitely needs it. It would definitely help our channel and our efforts too as well to help people with their credit too also. And so today's topic is going to be a new credit builder loan, okay, and how to get excellent credit. All right. So you definitely don't want to miss out today on the live stream that I'm giving you today. So this is definitely going to be some great information that you guys can use, to improve your credit score, to build credit, and also, I don't know if you guys have seen me on Facebook earlier today when I was talking about this live stream. I mentioned a few polls. I gave a few polls, 2 polls actually, and basic questions that I was asking in the polls of today was, what is the reason why you want to get excellent credit? Or what is the reason why you want to get an excellent credit score? Are you looking to buy a new home with the lowest payments available? Are you looking to buy a new car with the lowest payments available? Are you looking to start a new business and gain business funding and also have the lowest payments available on that loan too also? Or are you just looking to qualify for things that you need in life? Please answer the poll questions. If you like, I'll try to put those 2 polls too also here in this video also. When I'm finished the video, just give me a few minutes. I'll put it up there. It'll look like a lowercase I with a circle around it. it will be in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Okay, the questions, the poll questions. So it just gives me an idea of what you guys are looking for and what you guys are looking to achieve too also as well. So in my last video, I pretty much talked about, some great credit building techniques too. Also, I also went over with you one of my clients named Janelle, who I helped to build up her credit score. And, you don't want to miss out on that video too also as well. If you're looking for a path to building credit, a way to get to an excellent credit score, I have an awesome video here on this channel. It's called From 548 to 720, and it'll give you a path that you, if you need one, to go, a path to follow, to obtain an excellent credit score too as well. So you want to watch the entire video from front to end, from beginning to end, so that way you won't miss out on any of the tips there, and the steps to building up an excellent credit score. Now, I just wanted to mention that all of those steps, is not 100% necessary to go through, but you do want to go through a few of those as needed. And just keep in mind that what the credit bureaus need to give you a good, excellent credit score is you need a good credit mix. Okay, so basically that involves charge cards. Okay, then you're going to need revolving credit too also. Revolving credit cards. Charge cards can be store cards, too also as well. Those some of the trade lines that I give on there, on that video, like the My Jewelers, the New Coast Direct, the DSX Design. Those all give trade lines of $5,000 credit limits and up to $12,000 credit limits too also as well. And you'll notice if you sign up for any of those trade lines that you will see an incredible boost in your credit score from month to month. And also what you need for the good credit mix is an installment loan. A good installment loan that I recommend is self-lender. Now, self-lender I've used myself, and I've noticed credit boosts every month or every other month when I made my payments and they were processed with self-lender. Too also as well, credit score kept going up and up and up, so my term is 1 year, so I plan on keeping the loan for the full term of 1 year also as well. So that's what you want to keep in mind as well. You want to keep the loan for the entire term of the loan, and do not ever pay off the entire loan early, because why? You lose all of the payment history from that loan. Okay, so not only installment loans, you got your installment loan, you got your revolving credit cards, you got your charge cards. Okay, so that's pretty much what you're going to need to build an excellent credit score. Okay, and with the revolving credit cards, you want to make sure that you use at least three of those revolving credit cards, and that way you can boost your score the highest possible and keep your credit utilization under 7% to get the highest possible excellent credit score that you can get. Okay, so all of these tips I give in my videos, and I have many videos on this channel about that. Again, I'll be live on this channel every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time. Okay, so while I'm waiting for people to get to join in the live chat, I don't see anyone here yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get into the topic of today. Okay, guys. So I'm going to have to share my screen with you guys here. All right, I'm doing that right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to the screen. And, okay, before I get into the topic, I wanted to mention here, guys, that this is the group that I was talking about here, our Facebook credit group. It's called How to Get Excellent Credit. This is the group that was named before How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Now the new name is How to Get Excellent Credit. Okay, so you guys definitely want to join. Go ahead and join the group. Okay, and that way you can share with the group and all of its members. You know, I put some of the good, useful information here on how to build credit in the recent group files here on the right side of the screen here, as you can see. Okay, you can get to know some of the members here. All right, and you could definitely take a look at some of the videos that we have here too. Also, we have several videos, so you just click on this link here on the left, and you can get to see some of the videos. I mean, if you missed any of the videos on the YouTube channel, you could definitely catch them here in the Facebook group here. Just click on this link, videos, okay? And for the files, right here with some of the helpful credit building information you can see there. All right, so very simple to post something in the group. To all the other members, just write something here. Okay, and just post it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and type something here in the group. All right. Live now. Don't miss out. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and post that in the group. Okay. So just to let other people know, it's an announcement at the top of the page. Okay. And to see the other posts, you can just scroll down the page. This is a video I made to the group earlier today about the live stream that I'm having with you guys now. All right, so there's a whole lot of other, posts here and videos here. And see some of the videos from the YouTube channel is in here. So you definitely want to join this group, guys, so that way you can, uh, pull yourself up with all of the great knowledge and the credit building tips that I can give you. So what I'm about to do right now, guys, is let's get into the topic of today. Okay. Now to do that, I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to type in DCU Credit Builder Loan. Okay, it's right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. And it's the first link at the top. So after you use Google search DCU Credit Builder Loan, guys, you just go ahead here and click on this first link here at the top, okay? So here we are. We're at the DCU website. All right, it's dcu.org/loans/credit-builder.html. Okay, and it tells you what you need to know about the credit builder loan. Okay, it's gonna go down to the bottom here. Just to show you guys, this bank, DCU, is a credit union and is federally insured by NCUA. Okay, they're equal housing lender too. Also, so they're a good place to go, guys, if you're looking to get a mortgage or buy a new home for yourself and your family. It's a good place to go here. Okay. And this is their address here. They're in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Here's their phone number in case you guys want to contact them by phone. It's 800-328-8798. And here's their address in Marlborough, Massachusetts. And their Digital Federal Credit Union. That's what the DCU stands for. Okay. So back here to this credit builder loan. It says here, whether starting out or starting over, a great way to build your credit history. Okay, and they have 7 reviews. You can write your own review. Here's, excuse me, here's some product questions and answers for you guys. 31 questions, 36 answers. It says here, you can build or rebuild your credit rating. Build savings while you borrow. Terms from 12 months to 24 months and low fixed rates. Okay. Now, from what I understand here, guys, the payments here, monthly payments here on the DCU Federal Credit Builder Loan are actually, the payments are actually lower than your self-lender loan. Okay, guys, just wanted to mention that because I know my $1,000 loan, my payments are like between $90 and $100 every month. You can get loans here for as low as $57 a month payment. So payments are very low. Okay. And so refer to details and rates tabs for additional information and important disclosures. Okay, let's go to details. Overview, the credit builder loan is specifically designed to help you build or rebuild your credit history as you build up to $3,000 in savings plus dividends. And here's how it works. So see, the amount you borrow is deposited into a DCU savings account that you cannot touch until the loan is repaid. Okay, guys. So basically, you cannot touch the money until you repay the entire loan. Okay, it's the same principle as the self-lender loan. Basically, it works the same way. Okay. The only difference, like I said, is the payments are lower because, of course, it's a credit union. Okay. So, but it works the same way as your self-lender loan. All right. The money, they take the money after they approve you, they take money and they put it into a savings account for you that you cannot touch that money, but you're paying payments on that money. Okay, you get the money after you complete all the payments and the loan is repaid. So you make your regular payments on a loan. As you repay on time, you establish a positive payment history that we report to the credit bureaus. Okay, guys, so that's what they're going to do. Every time you make a payment on the loan, they're going to make a report to the credit bureaus. Okay, so you definitely want to pay this loan. If this is the loan you decide to take, guys, you definitely want to pay this loan on time every month. Okay, and my advice, guys, that would help you boost up your credit too, also as well, is get auto pay. Okay, auto pay is awesome. I mean, I use it for my self lender loan, and I set it and forget it pretty much. I don't even have to think about when it's coming out or what day the bill is due. Is it paid on time? I don't have those worries because the auto pay just takes care of all of that for me. Okay. It says here, based on those reports, your credit history and credit score improves over time. Yes, so this works the same way as a self-lender loan works, guys. As you're making the payments on the loan, your credit score is increasing month to month to month, okay? And your credit score is constantly going up. So this is a great way to get excellent credit, guys, with this new credit builder loan. And it's awesome, okay? And it says here, a higher credit score translates into better rates on future loans. It can also have a positive impact obtaining insurance and certain jobs that consider credit history. Yes, that's true. I mean, if you're looking, there's a lot of jobs that they're going to check your credit, when you apply. Alrighty, and also, insurance rates. It can affect your insurance rates. Your insurance rates can be higher if you don't have a good credit score, or it can be lower if you have excellent credit. So if you get excellent credit, guys, your insurance rate can be the lowest rates that they have available. So it says here, when you finish repaying the loan, you'll have the full balance in the DCU savings account, including dividends to use as you please for a down payment, education, home improvements, anything. So they're talking about dividends here, guy. I'm not sure what they mean by dividends. I know I use Robinhood to do investments. I do short-term investments in Robinhood, and I make dividends. I get paid dividends monthly from stocks that pay out dividends every month. So I'm not sure if that's what they're talking about when they're referring to dividends. Okay. But that is one thing to look forward to. You're going to get paid the full amount of the loan after you finish repaying a loan, plus dividends. Okay. And you could use this for down payment, education, home improvements, anything pretty much that you like. Okay. Now here's the credit builder features. We're going to look over that. Loan amounts from $500 to $3,000. So pretty much the loan amounts I think are a little higher than the self-lender loan. I think the self-lender loan, the highest I seen on there was 1,700. But if you guys have seen different, let me know. Please correct me because it could be higher than that. I don't know. But this loan, you can get a loan up to $3,000. Okay. You got terms from 12 to 24 months, same as self-lender. Loan funds in the DCU savings account earn dividends at the published dividend rate for this account. Okay, so it says that you earn dividends, okay, at the published dividend rate for this account. All right, so that's a good thing, guys. It's good news. So not only are you getting a loan, you're getting dividend payments too as well from this loan. So this is a good thing to keep in mind, guys. A good thing for you guys to invest in, excellent credit. This is great. This new credit builder loan here. The loan interest rate is fixed at 5% annual percentage rate. Okay, this is pretty low. That's a pretty low percentage. Considering they're working with people who are trying to build credit, people with no credit at all, people with bad credit, or poor or fair credit. So this is an excellent percentage rate for people who are coming from that place. They're coming from there. Um, so after, because you can compare that to a lot of credit cards, guys. I mean, for bad credit cards and good from bad credit cards and fair credit cards, I mean, you're looking at higher interest rates than that. You're looking at maybe three times, three or four, maybe even 4 or 5 times that interest rate, the APR. Okay, guys. After a minimum of 12 months of satisfactory payments, you'll receive a 50% discount off the interest rate on your next qualified consumer loan. Okay, guys, so that is awesome right there. I mean, I'm not sure if that says 50% or if that's 0.5%, 50%. Okay, I'm not sure. But if it's 0.50%, guys, that's totally different than 50% discount. Okay. But either way, you're getting a lower interest rate the next time you decide to get a consumer loan. All right. And it says an example, let's look at an example loan payment schedule here, guys. A $1,000 credit builder loan with an APR of 5% for 18 months has an approximate monthly payment of $57.79. There you go, guys. Like I said before, you could get payments as low as $57 with this new credit builder loan here. Okay, guys. So you want to keep that in mind. Satisfactory payments are those received by DCU on or before the due date, or at least the scheduled payment amounts. Real estate credit card loans do not qualify for the discount. The granting of a credit builder loan does not guarantee future loans. All loans are subject to credit approval. Okay. All right. So now we got that. Why don't we look at some of the rates? Okay. So says here, whether you're starting out or starting over, a credit builder loan is a great way to build your credit history. Okay. That's awesome. Now, terms and features up to 24 months, maximum loan amount $3,000. So they'll go up to 3,000. Our best rates, annual percentage rate of 5% would give you estimated monthly payment per $1,000 of $43.87 payment. So there you go, guys. Even the payments even get lower. Okay, so this is great news here. So you're talking about definitely lower than self-lender here on as far as the rates are concerned. Let me go ahead and take a quick look over here to the chat. Okay, I don't see any chat messages here, so I'll just continue where I left off at here. So these rates are awesome good, guys. So it says rates are determined by your personal credit history, account relationship, and payment method. Okay. So why don't we go ahead and look at some product questions and answers. Yeah, let's look at that because you learn a lot, from reading some of the Q&As, you know, you learn a lot of information about the product here too. So let's see, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? See, we got some Q&As. Trying to find the Q&As here. I'm clicking on it. I keep pulling up reviews. Okay, well, let's look at reviews. 4 out of 6 members recommended the product. A positive way to build credit scores. Thank you for having this available. I took out 2 small 1-year credit builder loans in the last 2 years. When I applied for the first credit builder loan, I had a 0 score. I paid everything with cash. Now, in 2 short years, I have built a somewhat decent credit score. I was approved for an unsecured credit card in July and another just on Friday. Thank you to all of the DCU staff. He says, yes, I recommend this product. Okay, great. So another one, best experience to date. Oh, it says almost paid off, very helpful. Why bother advertising this? Okay, here's one person here. If you have a low credit score and bad credit history, you won't get approved. DCU, just rename it to something else. I've been a customer for 8 years now. I was hoping for your help in rebuilding my credit through this loan, but since you denied me, I might as well close my account and go to JDCU. Okay, go to JDCU. They have much better locations in Lowell anyway. Okay, I don't know what he means by JDCU. Okay, but maybe they're another affiliate bank of DCU. Right? Okay, let's see what we got here. This is called the credit builder loan, but the loan is not being approved for a low credit score. I wanted to take this product just to increase my credit history and not to borrow any money, but it was denied, saying my credit was too low. Isn't that the reason why you have put such a name for a loan? If you're not willing to provide such solutions, please do not advertise them. Although I like the other member services, not satisfied with this one. Thanks. Okay. So now we got 2 people saying that they did not get approved for this loan. So at least, you know, DCU is an open book here, guys. You know what I mean? At least they're giving you they're being honest because they're not hiding the bad reviews. They're giving you the good reviews they got, and they also giving you the bad reviews too, also, you know, as well. You know, so, okay, so someone here gave how this credit builder loan works a little more detail. It says the credit loan is specifically designed to help you build or rebuild your credit history as you build up to $3,000 in savings plus dividends. Okay, here's how it works. The amount you borrow is deposited into a DCU savings account. You cannot touch it until the loan is repaid. Savings secured loan details. Preserve your hard-earned savings. It can take a long time to build your savings and a short time to spend it. With savings secured loans, you can use your savings as collateral, borrow at economic rates, and keep your savings intact. While pledged as collateral, your savings continue to earn competitive dividends. And it says here you could borrow against your DCU savings account balance. Rates on loans secured by a DCU savings account are a flat rate. Borrow as little as $200 and borrow as long as 10 years. Okay, well, there you go. Here's a response from DCU in 2014. You are correct that a share loan would be a better option if a member has funds in an account. The share builder loan is a benefit to the person who does not have cash to deposit to a savings but needs to build credit. Okay, so DCU supplies the funds needed in the share builder loan, and the member simply has to pay the loan according to the agreement. When the loan is completed, the member will have a better credit rating and the funds to use. So there's a few, I think that's all of the reviews that they have here on the site. I've read some of the good ones. I've read some of the bad ones. You guys can go ahead and write a review. If you've used this loan before in the past, or you have tried to apply for this loan, Also, guys, just go ahead, write a review here if if you want to, or you can go ahead and leave a comment, in the comment section of this live stream. If you're interested and you still want to apply, you can hit this button here. Okay, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching this live stream today. And even though I don't see anyone here in the live stream with me today, but I still want to thank you guys, if for watching the video. And also remember, just want to reiterate here, this here that you can go ahead and join this Facebook credit group that we have here called How to Get Excellent Credit. Definitely our members need members, and we all need each other, guys. So feel free to go ahead and sign up for the group, so that way you guys can share your experiences, your knowledge, your if you have other techniques that other members don't have, or I don't have, please go ahead and share that here in the group, because it's definitely going to benefit all of us. Okay, and we can grow together as a team too. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this live stream by saying, guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel also as well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the computer here, so that way I'll be back. I'm back with you guys here live. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining the live stream today. I really can't see how many people is on here because I'm on a different screen, but I want to thank again, special thanks to my 276 subscribers so far. And also I want to say a big shout out to Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV. Thank you so much, Dwayne, for helping me with my credit, helping my fiance, Janelle, with her credit too also. And thank you for, making great content too also as well. Guys, Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV is on live on his channel, How to Build Credit TV, every Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out, on all the good stuff that he has to share there on Monday, 7 p.m. Central Time. Also, I want to, say, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of the new videos that I make as I make them. And remember the links in the bottom of the about section of this channel. You can follow me there on any one of those social media sites that I'm on. And you can email me. Feel free to email me if you need help. I offer free credit repair, free credit boosting, also free credit advice too also as well. You could email me there also if you feel you need to talk over the phone and it's better. Feel free to call me, and my business line is 800-605-9053. Again, my business line is 800-605-9053. So if you have any questions about credit or building credit, feel free to give me a call. Okay, guys. So in closing, I want to say I hope you guys start off this weekend on a great start and enjoy the rest of it, and we still got one more day. And then, for me, pretty much, guys, it's back to work on Monday. So yeah, I got one more day, but that's why I really like these weekends. I enjoy them. I get a chance to do things like this with you guys and make live videos and, get a chance to talk with you guys and, share the knowledge, share the experience with you guys and help, you guys to achieve excellent credit too also as well. We both could get there together. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your Saturday evening. Bye now.